Witness Gift Sensory Storytelling Box. Sensory storytelling is such a fun way to tell stories at home using the five senses. So thinking of stories that you can hear, see, smell, touch, and taste. This box is the perfect way to introduce yourselves to sensory storytelling. Where do I start? We've included a booklet with the tips and tricks for sensory storytelling and the story of Asha's adventures in the park. Along with the story, we have the breakdown of all the objects you need to turn it into a sensory experience. All of the objects come right in this box. We've also included a template on how you can turn other favorite stories at home into sensory stories. And if you need some inspiration, we have that for you. And we've put some favorite books and what objects we recommend for sensory storytelling. There's some other little surprises in the box as well to discover. We have videos on how to tell Asha's adventures at the park as a tool and a resource. But we want to hear what you've enjoyed about sensory storytelling, what you're excited to discover. So do let us know and have fun.